Hello, good evening. Welcome to Lyrica's channel. I'm grilling today chicken barbecue using electric griller. So no need of last night minarinate ko to. One, using magic scrap, oyster sauce, banana ketchup. If you want chili, you want to put chili powder or garlic, chili powder or chili flakes. Ilagay ko lang siya sa number 4 para maluto yung nasa loob. So, just have to wait. Ang ginagawa ko, binabaliktad ko siya every 10 minutes para all sides are cooked. Well cooked. And later, papakita ko mamaya. Isasama ko yung mushroom and lemon. I'm excited to use this first griller that I bought from Sister Vanjie. Thank you, Sister Vanjie, for this wonderful griller. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Every minute, nag-heat siya din na so, sabi dito sa instruction, hindi siya pwedeng gamitan with foil.